In this Argos support video, we will show you how to carry out a simple power cycle on your product to help resolve common issues and restore normal operation. A power cycle can help many different products if they become unresponsive, stop operating as expected, or experiencing minor faults. Performing this process correctly can often clear temporary issues and return your product to normal performance. Firstly, if the product has one, switch it off using the power button. Ensure the product is completely powered down before continuing. Next, unplug the product from the mains. This will safely disconnect the product from the electrical supply. Now, press and hold the manual on/off or power button for 10 to 15 seconds if your product has one. This allows any residual power within the product to fully discharge. Wait 30 seconds, then plug the product back into the mains and turn the product back on using the power button. Allow a few moments for the product to start up and return to normal operation. Once complete, check to see if the issue has been resolved. Carrying out a power cycle is a quick and effective way to resolve many common issues and help keep your product working reliably. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.